Do flood zones affect your mortgage payment? Your mortgage payment consists of more than just your principal and interest payment. It may include taxes and homeowners insurance as well. Homeowners insurance is set in place to protect your house in case of emergency, which, depending on your policy, can cover damages from a house fire, a fallen tree, and theft. And it only covers flood damage if the flooding happens from wind-blown rain, but it does not cover rising water. Flood insurance would be in addition to your mortgage payment, and you would need it if you're located in a flood zone. A flood zone is a designated area of land that has the possibility of flooding. There are various kinds of flood zones that you need to be aware of, like flood zone X, A, and AE, just to name a few. If your future home is located in zone X, that means that there's a 0.2% chance of annual flooding in your area. You don't have to worry too much about flooding in zone X. But if it's located in zone A or AE, it's considered high risk, and there's a 1% chance that it may flood. You might be thinking, Patrick, I'm not buying a beach house on the water. Why are you telling me this? I'm telling you this because it doesn't matter where your future home is located, floods can happen anywhere. And flood zones are constantly changing, especially in Florida, where we have regular summer thunderstorms and the annual hurricane season. When house shopping, be sure to keep flood zones in mind, as it may affect your mortgage payment. Thanks for watching today's video. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more mortgage content. We're the Mortgage Firm Tampa, a local lender serving clients like you.